Hey there, future grammar detectives. Welcome to our special training academy. Today, you're not just students, you're pronoun sleuths on a top secret mission. Have you ever wondered about those little words we use all the time, like he, she, they, it, we, and you? Those are called pronouns, and they're like secret agents in our sentences. They stand in for other words, called nouns, to make our speaking and writing smoother and less repetitive. Imagine saying, Leo loves dogs. Leo takes Leo's dog for a walk. It sounds a bit clumsy, right? But with pronouns, we can say, Leo loves his dog. He takes him for a walk. See? Much better. Today, we're going to embark on an epic adventure called The Mystery of the Missing Pronouns. Are you ready to crack the case? Grab your detective hats and magnifying glasses, because our first clue is just around the corner. All right, detectives, let's dive into our first case file. Pronouns come in a few different types, and our first mission is to understand personal pronouns. These are the most common ones you'll encounter. Think of them as the main characters in our story. We have pronouns for the person speaking, like I, me, we, and us. If I say, I am making a video, I is the pronoun. Then we have pronouns for the person we are talking to, which is simply you. And finally, we have pronouns for the people or things we are talking about. He, him, she, her, it, they, and them. Now for your first challenge. I'm going to show you a sentence with a missing word. Your job is to pick the right pronoun to solve the puzzle. Here's the sentence. Maria loves to bake. Makes the best cookies. What pronoun should go in the blank? If you guessed she, you're correct. You've just solved your first clue. Give yourself a pat on the back. Super sleuth. Let's try another one. The kittens are sleeping. Looks so peaceful. What do you think? The answer is they. Excellent work. You're getting the hang of this. Great job on that last round, detectives. Now, let's level up our skills and investigate another type of pronoun, possessive pronouns. The name gives you a big clue. These pronouns show possession, or who owns something. They answer the question, whose is it? Words like mine, yours, his, hers, ours, and theirs are all possessive pronouns. For example, instead of saying, this book is my book, you can simply say, this book is mine. It's a neat little shortcut. Here's a detective challenge for you. Look at this picture of a cool red bike. The sentence says, that red bike belongs to Tom. It is unsussed, that's UI. Can you fill in the blank with the correct possessive pronoun? Think hard. If you said his, you've cracked the code. It is his. Perfect. Let's try one more. My family and I built this treehouse together. The treehouse is where? What's the pronoun here? That's right, it's ours. You're becoming a true pronoun pro. Remember, these words help us avoid repeating ourselves and make our sentences sound much more natural. Keep your eyes peeled, because you'll see these possessive pronouns everywhere. You're on a roll, sleuths. We've covered personal and possessive pronouns, but the mystery isn't over yet. Our next file is on demonstrative pronouns. This might sound like a big, complicated word, but it's actually super simple. Demonstrative pronouns are like pointers. They point out specific people or things. There are only 4 of them to remember. This, that, these, and those. We use this and these for things that are close to us. This is for one thing, like, this is my favorite pen. These is for more than one thing, like, these are my crayons. We use that and those for things that are farther away. That is for one thing, like, that is a big airplane in the sky. And those is for more than one thing, like, Those are beautiful flowers across the field, ready for a mission. I'm holding a single blue block right here in my hand. Should I say, is a blue block this or that? You got it, this. Now, look at the bookshelf behind me. There are several books up there. What would I say are my favorite stories? These or those? Exactly. Those. You're using your detective vision perfectly. All right, super sleuths. It's time for our grand challenge. We've learned about personal, possessive, and demonstrative pronouns. Now, we're going to put all your new skills to the test in a fun story adventure. I'm going to tell you a short story. But oh no, all the pronouns have gone missing. It's your job to listen carefully and fill in the blanks to save the story. Are you ready? Let's begin. Once upon a time, there was a brother and sister named Alex and Lily, and loved to go on adventures in the woods behind Pahiafwa's house. One sunny afternoon, Lily pointed to a sparkling object on the ground and said, "Alex, look! What is Chatsiebwise?" Alex picked it up. It was a beautiful shiny key. "Wow," Adwasim said. "I wonder what Yuan opens." Suddenly, they saw an old wooden chest hidden under a bush. "Maybe the key is for the chest," said Lily. "Let's try Tsauchi." Alex and Lily ran to the chest. "Let's hope this is Kamuskin lucky day," Alex whispered, as Carsins put the key in the lock. Now let's pause. Can you fill in the blanks? The first one was, they loved to go on adventures. The next was their house. Lily said, "What is that?" Alex said, "He." "I wonder what it opens." Lily said, "Let's try it." And finally Alex whispered, "Our lucky day," as he put the key in the lock. How many did you get right? You're doing an amazing job. Let's continue our story and solve the rest of this pronoun puzzle. So Alex put the key in the lock. Click! The chest opened. Inside, it wasn't gold or jewels. It was full of old toys and a small worn book. Lily picked up a beautiful doll. Is so pretty," said, hugging it tightly. Alex found a collection of colorful marbles. "Look at Cha!" he exclaimed. "Are just like the ones Grandpa used to have. I think N are ear." The book had a note on the first page. It said, "To my dearest grandchildren, all the toys in this chest are now Aidan Shuai. Hope brings Swawida as much joy as Kwaltenstes brought Swite." Alex and Lily looked at each other and smiled. The treasure was a gift from their grandparents. Now, detectives, let's solve this final part of the mystery. Lily said, "She is so pretty." The pronoun was she. Then Alex exclaimed, "Look at these, and they are just like the ones. I think they are his." The note read, "All the toys in this chest are now yours. We hope they bring you as much joy as they brought us." Did you crack the code? You did it. You solved the mystery of the missing pronouns. Congratulations, detectives. Mission accomplished. You have officially graduated from the Pronoun Sleuths Academy. Today, you've done some incredible work. We started by learning about personal pronouns like I, he, and they, the main characters of our sentences. Then, we investigated possessive pronouns like mine, his, and ours, which show who owns something. After that, we used our detective pointers, the demonstrative pronouns this, that, these, and those, to point out specific things. And finally, you put all your skills together to solve the mystery of the missing pronouns story challenge. Grammar might seem tricky sometimes, but when you turn it into a game, it becomes a fun adventure. Now that you're a pronoun expert, you'll start noticing these words everywhere, in books, in movies, and in everyday conversations. Keep practicing, keep observing, and keep being curious. Your grammar skills will get stronger and stronger with every new case you solve. You should be very proud of yourselves today. Thank you so much for joining our detective adventure and helping us crack the case. Learning is always more fun when we do it together. You all have what it takes to be amazing grammar detectives. Remember to keep your eyes and ears open for all the different kinds of pronouns we talked about today. The more you notice them, the easier it will be to use them correctly in your own speaking and writing. If you had fun on this mission and want to join us for more learning adventures, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you liked our video, give it a big thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow, so we can create more fun content for amazing sleuths like you. We'd love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and tell us your favorite type of pronoun. Until our next mystery, stay curious and keep learning. Bye for now.